Nice overcast morning.
Indeed, glorious.
It's not too cold. Yeah, but
Cold.
I reckon it's perfect for hiking up that.
Absolutely.
Okay, so it's gonna be Doltuin to Pramkoppie. Bye to Doltuin. Yeah, man. The best pool on the trail, and we couldn't even swim in it. Just past Granaadraai. Got rid of a few layers here. It's nice and overcast. Pretty much perfect for this type of hiking. And in the distance, you can see the hut. .4 mark. The brochure said 10 minutes after the 23rd kilometer mark we would be walking through a series of rock arches. We've reached the 24th kilometer mark. There's no rock arches. So Mark, did you see any rock arches? Did you pass any rock arches after the 23rd kilometer mark?
No, what rock arches? Maybe there's bigger ones later on.
Yeah, but they said after the 23rd, and then the 24th there would be plateau and we would get the rock sculptures. Finally an arch. But this is like after the 24th kilometer. Yeah.
Well, it's worthwhile.
We don't know what's in here, but it looks very fresh. So let's have a look. Some kind of a bonsai growing out here. I believe that's Arrie's Punt there. There. That's a 2.5 kilometer waste of time.
I decided there's priorities. Southern Land Rover.
Another arch. So okay, the series of arches actually starts after the 24th kilometer.
Is it?
And not the 23rd, as they say. It's 10 o'clock now, 10 AM. This morning we left at 8. It was overcast. It was winter last night. It was autumn this morning. We're back into summer. Clear skies, as you can see. Not a cloud in the sky. Okay, a couple of clouds that side, but that's non-threatening. Ever dumped this bottle here? You would disgrace. And that's between Doltuin and Pramkoppie. Somebody dumped their rubbish here. To the fool who dumped this shit here. Just remember, you shouldn't be hiking. You shouldn't be hiking if you dump your rubbish everywhere. Everyone just keep this for me on the other side. That's that rubbish that I picked up here. Oh, I just want to take it out of the nature reserve. It's not that tight. How you guys doing?
Good. This is one of my passengers here. I'm the bus driver.
7 kilometers, no long time no see.
One of passengers is complaining.
Kilometer more. There you have it. You were saying?
28th is my birthday.
Which month?
Of the 2nd.
Alright, okay. Huh? Yo, you're almost a leap year. I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna take chances with a bag on my back here. Okay, but I'm here for the experience. The full experience. What the?
Ja, dat is lang.
Nee, it's not long. He's just. I can't do this with help. No, it's fine. I need to do this on my own. No, everything around me. Actually, no, I need the stick to be in front of me.
Oh, for you to be. See how you sit, are you crawling?
No.
Stop, wait, please. You can't be the only one struggling.
Okay.
You have to say you went through the tunnel. Take a bag.
No, man, you're doing it wrong.
Why am I doing this?
No, man, this is a shit story.
It's not a shit story, it's fun.
Oh, why did I listen to that?
Yes, come with me. You have to say you went through the tunnel. And you're almost through. It's not that slow. Then here you can stand up a little.
You can. Yeah, made it. Woo.
It's fun, man.
Let me go first so I can get you guys on the other side.
There's a cute little spot in there.
Yeah. Look, it's a change room.
Yeah. Do it. Put your head into it.
You're talking to me.
Yeah.
Only 2.6. That's like an hour out of your way.
In my books, Arrie and Camille are on the same track. Camille.
se gat.
Die hele se Protea bush. Apparently that is the highest point there. Don't know the name of the point though. You have any idea what the name of that?
Didn't check. Don't know why I didn't check.
Can I throw this to you?
Throw. Okay. Told you there's a better way around that side. Here's your board. 12:15. It's lunchtime. We're having lunch here just before we descend into Oorlogskloof. That would be Cold Ravine. We're heading to around Pramkoppie. Breast nipple in English. Don't know why they give these peaks such weird names, but that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. This is what it's all about.
Kijk, open.
Let's see.
Ah, het is een lekker lang trap.
Hoppa. That's Oorlogskloof for you, baby. What do you think about the weather so far?
No, the weather's perfect. It's nice and cool. Nice cool breeze, but warm. It's a nice warm day. The views are gorgeous. Yes, that's freaking great.
Your analysis of the changing weather from sudden ice cold to summer hot.
No, this is not so hot, but it's nice. Give you that. This is brilliant.
We were hoping to find some Bushman cave drawings here, but nothing on this route. Okay, maybe next time. Very nice natural pools. Don't know if this water is drinkable though. It's not that cold.
It's freezing.
No, it's not. 36 sandstone.
Yeah.
Easily eroded by the wind. Your shoes go down lower. Here we go. Again.
Look at this.
Very well maneuvered there, Rushni. This would have been some wicked drone footage here.
And we have to go up here again tomorrow
But
morning.
Oorlogskloof lived up to its name.
Come up here again.
A hut is somewhere in that valley there. Not too far now. There's the hut, guys. Okay, see. Once we get there, I'll show you what you can expect in the hut. I believe it's a beautiful hut, but we'll see when we get there. Pramkoppie hut. Spencer is gonna tell you what this is.
What's this thing?
Yeah.
I have no.
You think it's a water tank? Pramkoppie.
Here's another.
So you won't need any roll mats or blow up mattresses unless you are the type that
I didn't look into the bathroom yet. Well,
it looks
like.
there's Jojo tanks, small Jojo tanks. Oh, 4 of them for water. Here we have it. Look at Ron. Told him it's a summer day.
No, it's warm.
The only catch-22 at this hut is I can't hear the water, even though they say in the brochure there's a river somewhere here. And there's no path leading to the river. They say there's a water source behind, but that would be in when it rains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not,
So,
then you must walk
to
further.
the river, yeah. Now it seems like it's gonna be quite a walk. But if you want to take a dip in your birthday suit, then one will just have to walk.